name's Gary Dibley. I'm the man, I would say man, bloke, weekend face behind E6 City. I wanted to first and foremost, personally, rather than just typing this in chat, I wanted to welcome everybody, all new members to the group that's going live today. Primarily, the aim of the group is not going to be a in-your-face sales group. It's going to be, I'm trying to build it as a bit of a community. Yes, there will be some tips coming up every now and then. I've decided over the past couple of weeks, I am literally, it's going to be hobby turning. There's not going to be massive quantities of tips going up. I've decided to break it up a little bit, so 1 week I'm going to be doing some tips for the site. The week after we'll be doing some custom options, and custom options are going to get a lot wider. I'll show you a little bit in a minute about why that is the case. It's just to say welcome. Thank you for joining, and hope you stick around and have some fun, basically. I'm going to show you what we got sort of coming up back in a sec. Drip tips. Although the primary, if you like, function of the group is to be discussing, talking about and showing a love for these things that obviously many people make. They're available all over the place now. You know, I sort of make to a pattern, a shape, and this that, and the other, which I normally let the material dictate to. I'll give you an example. Some of these little ones that we got tonight, and these are some of the ones that we're going up tonight. They're just funky. You can never ever capture the detail in. And I don't know how to get a focus. Here we go. In a photo, it's very hard to get you know, all of those colours, the depth, and all that in a photo. So you know, if especially when we come onto the customs, it's hard to very easy to show a blank and show that, but the way that I would prefer and are going to work this, rather than showing a load of blanks, I'm sort of going to say, give me a rough idea of what you'd like to see, and I'll try to match it as best I can. At the end of that, if you don't like it, you don't want it, it's as simple as. Blanks, we spoke about a little bit. They come in many shapes, sizes and colours. These are on acrylic, and as I say, these are pretty much available to every pen maker, tip turner out there. There's nothing really that distinguishes blanks against blanks. These are acrylic type. These ones here are called a polyacrylic. What I've got is I've built up and purchased a lot of the equipment for stabilisation, and stabilisation I'll also be making wood, and be trying to do some mods and things with some wood. Now I don't know how that's going to pan out. Historically I was a mod maker, going back to 2009, that's where I started, and that's when E6 City was actually born, way back in 2009. But yes, we're hoping to get some wood stabilised, dyed and played with, and try and do some stuff with that, as well as the blanks. Lots of different colours and shapes of my own design coming up very shortly. I just need to play with the kit and make sure I get it right first. Experiment with different materials and see how we go. Finally, again, welcome to the group. Have a nosy round. In terms of rules and bits and pieces, it's just, you know, be polite and get on, and we'll all be happy. Thank you very much. I will catch you soon. And we'll try and do a few more little vids like this, probably some making of tips and all of that sort of stuff, just to keep you entertained as well. I'll catch you later.